Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 20E. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. In the beginning enter Play Store and search for battery sound notification app. Download this app. Open it and tap plus in the right corner. Select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text to speech.
Disconnected.
Then name your function, give it description and press this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.